Unlock the secrets of Revitalizing Serum for radiant skin. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language and its applications in our daily lives. Today, we're diving into a term that you've probably come across in the world of skincare: revitalizing serum. Let's uncover what this phrase really means and why it's so important for your skin's health. Stay tuned to learn how to incorporate this magical product into your skincare routine effectively. Revitalizing serum combines two key words: revitalizing and serum. To understand the phrase fully, we need to break it down. Revitalizing refers to the process of making something alive, active, or energetic again. In the context of skincare, it means rejuvenating the skin, restoring its vitality, and making it appear more youthful and radiant. Serum is a product that you apply to your skin after cleansing but before moisturizing. Serums are formulated to deliver powerful ingredients directly into the skin. They're made up of smaller molecules that can deeply penetrate the skin and deliver a very high concentration of active ingredients. A revitalizing serum is designed to breathe new life into your skin. Here's why it's a game changer for your skincare routine. Targeted treatment. Serums are packed with beneficial components like vitamins, antioxidants, and hydrating elements that address specific skin concerns such as dryness, wrinkles, or dullness. Efficiency. Due to their lightweight formula and high concentration of active ingredients, serums are incredibly efficient at combating skin issues. Quick absorption. The thin viscosity of serums allows for quick absorption into the skin, ensuring that the active ingredients work effectively without leaving any residue. Incorporating a revitalizing serum into your skincare routine is simple, but doing it correctly can maximize its benefits. 1. Cleanse. Always start with a clean face. Use a gentle cleanser to remove impurities and prepare your skin for the serum. 2. Apply. Take a few drops of the serum on your fingertips and gently apply it to your face and neck. Avoid pulling or stretching the skin. 3. Massage. Use light, upward motions to massage the serum into your skin. This not only helps absorption but also boosts circulation. 4. Moisturize. Once the serum has absorbed, follow up with a moisturizer to seal in the serum's benefits and hydrate your skin further. Revitalizing serums are a powerful ally in the quest for healthy, glowing skin. By understanding what they are and how to use them correctly, you can significantly enhance your skincare routine. We hope this video has shed some light on the magic of revitalizing serums and inspired you to try them out. Remember, beautiful skin is not just about the products you use. It's also about understanding what each product does and how it benefits your skin. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.